It is here. The seasonal time of year when the real estate market hits its highest point has arrived in the Pacific Northwest. For sellers, the news is great, especially if you're looking to cash in and move into a cheaper area. For buyers, there's a little bit of good news, but mostly it's bad, except for those buyers that have put the fear of high interest rates behind them. Join me, guys, as I look back at the latest housing market data here in the Pacific Northwest. Welcome, guys. The Northwest MLS just came out with its latest figures, its latest data for the housing market here in Washington State. And as I mentioned at the top of this video, if you are a seller looking to cash in on the latest numbers, things are looking great for you, especially if you're looking to move into a cheaper market. If you're a buyer, the news, as expected, this time of year is not great. Although the number 30 is in your favor. You gotta love number 30, and I'll show you what I mean by that in just a short bit. If you're wondering what it looks like as a whole here in Washington State, 23 of the 26 counties that are represented by the Northwest MLS, we saw an increase in the median sales price. Yes, that's not good. Leading the way is San Juan Island, where the median sales price up there is $1,055,000 to be exact. If you're looking for the cheapest county to live in, as least in regards to the Northwest MLS, that would be Okanogan County at $315, the median sales price. You're wondering where that is? That's just northeast of Leavenworth. So guys, I'm gonna go back right now and show you the numbers for King County, Snohomish County, Pierce County. We're gonna dive once again into Seattle area, the Eastside area, and then because of a great viewer of this channel requested it, Richard, I'm gonna show you your area, the area around Edmonds, guys. Before I show you the numbers, I'm Julian Gonzalez here with RSVP Real Estate. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning into my channel. It's always an honor because there's so many channels to select from. Greatly appreciate you liking, subscribing as I look to make this channel grow. Turning on notifications, and if you want to talk about real estate, whether it's buying or selling a home or a condo here in the Seattle area, you can find a link down below in the description, and we could chat at your earliest convenience. You have to click on there and you can schedule whenever you want. Okay, let's take a look at these numbers because they're gonna blow you away as it has, well, the last couple of months. Here we go. All right, guys, again, we're here in King County, and again, as we've done every month, we're talking about year-over-year numbers. That's what the comparison we're doing, April 2023 to 2024, and we are talking here residential. I'll do the condos in another video. Now, let's look first at the big number that everybody wants to know. The median sales price right now here in King County is $985,000. That's an increase of just about 13%. Last month in March, it was an increase of 12%. So again, the seasonal pattern is not showing any mercy for any buyers out there, especially those that were expecting interest rates to be lower. No mercy for you guys. Remember, I also talked about a short while ago in this video that I talked about the number 30 that's in favor of buyers. This is what I meant. An increase, how about that, of over 32% in the amount of new listings. So that's good. More selections for you out there, although inventory hasn't really improved. It's still really, really low. King County is one of those counties that has the lowest amount of inventory in the nation, believe it or not. Now we look at pending sales. People, 28% people, guys, buyers are already saying to themselves, look, okay, fine, interest rates, I can't sit and wait to see when they're gonna go down because the prices continue to go up. And that's good news. Those are buyers that are being smart about it. Eventually, yeah, they'll come down interest rates, but really how much to justify the increase of the price of homes? And another big number to look at this here, guys, just to show you what this number means is this one right here. As we look at days on market until the sale, guys, that's a decrease of 28%, meaning that it's a lot shorter. Houses are being on the market, so it sells 16 days compared to 22 days from a year ago. So buyers are being smarter. Let's gobble this up now before maybe inventory just decreases even more and the prices again continue to shoot up. Now let's take a look now at Snohomish County. Kind of flipped there to Pierce County, got ahead of myself. As we look now at Snohomish County, same as King County, remember the number 30? An increase of 32% in new listings, so a lot more selections, but again, As you look at the month supply of inventory, no bueno, really hasn't increased at all. Looking at the median sales price, very important here, is at $783. That's a really good number for any of you people out there looking to buy in Snohomish County. The median sales price increased by just over 4%. Days on market, guys. Remember what I showed you about King County? Look at Snohomish County. 14 days on the market till close, as far as homes really lasting right on the market till close. So it's only that's an amazing number right here, minus 44, showing it once again that buyers are not going to wait. Buyers are going to jump on any opportunity to get their home and not wait till later on, till quote unquote interest rates go down, whenever that happens. Again, median sales price, as I said, $783, and inventory again at no change. Now let's move over to Pierce County. Again, the number 30. This was actually closer to 40. 39% increase in inventory, new listings rather, out in Pierce County. That's usually a county that you see these kind of numbers, more favorable, favorable numbers or price or list price for a lot of people out there of the three counties, if you're looking at in that sense. Days on market, really 18%, maybe not as big a number as you see in the other two counties, but still, homes are lasting a little bit less, 27 days, still 27 days, so a lot more opportunities to buy down in Pierce County. And again, the median sales price at $565, we saw there at 7%. And inventory, a whopping 0.6, so it'd be 60% of added inventory in that area. Guys, let's move now quickly. We're not gonna waste any time because I know you guys got a lot of things to do and today. So let's move now to Seattle. The Seattle area, at least what the Northwest MLS considers to be the Seattle area. And we're about Lake City, takes a hold here of Magnolia, all the way down just north of White Center, all the way to here to Lake Ridge. All these boundaries are the numbers that I'm going to show you right now. So here's the latest market for the Seattle area. And you can see right there, the median sales price is $998, an increase from April 2023 by as much as almost 13%. Now, if you're wondering what it was just last month, in the month of March, the number was here. The median sales price was $925,000. For all of you that are waiting for interest rates to go down, remember, $925 in 1 month, and it jumped 30 days later to $998. Just saying. And we're going to look at pending sales. You see right here, 736. Last month, it was 585. 585 people under buyers and sellers under contract. That's a huge increase. Inventories, you see right here at 1.28. It's terrible. That's the word I'm looking for. Just terrible. Or dismal, that's the word, to be honest with you. That's what I was looking for. The word dismal. Just like my vocabulary. Dismal. But inventory is really low, one of the lowest, again, for the big metropolitan markets here in the United States. We have the lowest. Moving on, guys, let's take you out now to the East Side, just to clarify once again what the East Side is considered. Yes, we all think this is the East Side, whereas, Bellevue and Mercer Island, Kirkland, Redmond. No, it's all of this. This is what the Northwest MLS considers to be the East Side. Looking at the numbers here. That's it. So the median sales price for a residential home in 2024, April 2024, is, how about that? Just about what? 1,678,000, an increase from April 2023 of 16%. So that's a disgusting number. But believe it or not, that's actually a drop from just 30 days prior, where the median sales price on the East Side for a residential home was 1.683. So it's not good. And an inventory, just as dismal as it was, as we just saw a short while ago in Seattle. But people are moving, guys. Here we see an increase of the pending sales of as much as just above 19% in pending sales. So buyers are getting smarter despite what they believe, or a lot of people believe, is high interest rates. Now, I told you a short while ago at the top of this video that I had Richard, one of the great loyal viewers to this channel, he wanted the numbers, the figures for the area around Edmonds, okay? And I'll do it for any of you guys. And if you guys want to know more about your area, I'll definitely put it in my video for the Northwest MLS, at least the data for the Northwest MLS next month, or it should be coming out in a couple of weeks, so I'll do it for you guys. So Richard, this one's for you, man. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So this area is by the Northwest MLS is referred to 730. There it is. Here's the Edmonds area for 730. Okay, guys, so you see, obviously, Edmonds right here. You see 244th Street Southwest. Then it converts into Northeast 205th Street. And it goes up, this is about Meridian Avenue, then Bothell West. You can see parts of areas around here. So you see Martha Lake. And the very top here is 148th Street Southwest. So this is the numbers we're going to look at right now, Richard. Here we go. And I pinked it out just to show that it's a spotlight area we're going to do for this month. Area 730, Southwest Snohomish County. And the median sales up there is, in that area at least, is $980,000. That's a crazy, crazy number, considering that just last month, the median sales price for this area, the Southwest Snohomish area right here, was $946,000. Amount of transactions closed was 119 for the month of April. And that was also the amount in basically in the month of March. Pending, you see 161 right here in the month of March. It was 140. Guys, there are your numbers again for those three counties, those areas, that specific area, Edmonds. If you'd like for me to, again, look into your numbers and put it in my next video, just let me know down below. Again, guys, the buyers out there are out there buying. If you're looking to buy, your competition's getting smart about it and saying, you know what, interest rates, it is what it is. We'll just buy now and refinance later. At least we have a home right now. They have the fear of interest rates behind them. Good luck, guys.